Everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. In this video, I'm going to be covering the fastest way to make $100 a day with Clickbank affiliate marketing step by step. If that's something you're interested, make sure that you stay all the way to the end of this video. I'm going to give you value-packed content for you to digest and that you can use to go ahead and start making up to $100 per day in your own time. And just before I get started, if you like this video, all I'm asking for you to do is just smash that thumbs up button. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, you have the option. You can or not. Doesn't really matter to me. But anyway, let's hop into the video. So, excuse me, I'm a little sick, so bear with my voice. As you can see, it's a fresh year. It's 2020. As of right now, I currently have 0 sales. My end goal for the end of 2020 is to at least have up to $10,000 worth of Clickbank sales. I feel that's a very achievable goal, a very achievable task of which I'm fully capable of doing. And if you look at my current YouTube videos, I've really spent a lot of time in e-commerce. Affiliate marketing is something that I've always been doing. I've been doing it for the last couple of years, but this is the year that I really want to take not just Clickbank series, but all different types of affiliate marketing series. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have a playlist for you to check out for more affiliate marketing content. But now that you know what I'm planning to do, let me take you into the Clickbank marketplace. Now, the first thing that I want you to decide upon watching this video is the category that you want to get into. By you watching this video, I'm already pre-assuming that you already have a Clickbank account, you've already logged in, and you know how to get to the marketplace. If not, you see me, you log into your account, which is mine right here, and you click on marketplace. Now, what I want you to decide is, I just can't get this out of the way. Let's see if I can. All right, boom. So what I want you to do is come over to these categories right here on the left-hand side, and I want you to make a decision of the category that you want to go into. Now, the big 3 categories that will forever be evergreen, which means people will always be looking for this, is health, wealth, and love and romance. Those are the big 3. Now, there's also other niches that I'm also looking to get into, which is the spirituality niche and e-business and e-marketing niche. But for the e-business or e-marketing niche, you can't really promote on Facebook ads. Every other ad platform, for what I see, is okay, but Facebook ads is really kind of strict when it comes to that. So you got to be careful when it comes to that. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to go into the spirituality niche. Another good niche that I want to get into is the self-help and travel niche, but I'll save that later for another video. So as my computer loads up the spirituality niche, I want to give you a shortcut to finding a good affiliate offer on Clickbank that you can promote. So first things first, you want to come up here where it says sort results by, and you want to click here where it says popularity, and you want to go to gravity. Now, what this is going to do, let me highlight this so you can see it. This is based on the last 30 days. That's what I was told from others who do Clickbank affiliate marketing and whatnot. Gravity is sorted by the last 30 days, meaning so within the last 30 days. So this video is January 8th, 2020. So December 8th, 2019, 272 people have gotten sales from this numerology fully personalized VSL. And the thing that I want you to look for is when you sort by gravity, that means that the affiliate product has already been proven to convert and it is already selling. So first things first, let's take a look at the product. Well, right click, open this in a new tab. And that's the first thing you always want to do. When I open a new product, I look for 3 things. Number 1, is this product up to date, or is it still around the times where whatever educational method or whatever type of content they're trying to put out, is it still up to date, and does it still hold up to the current standards of social societal norms right now? So that's the first thing. Second thing, I look at the page and I look and I go, how well do I see this offer converting? I mean, I know you've seen the gravity and whatnot, but in my own mind, I like to think, how well can I see this offer converting? And the third thing I like to look for, which I'll show you after I exit out of this product page. So bear with me for the third step. Looks good. Looks good. Testimonials. Nice, nice. All right. So I tell you the first two. And so here's the third thing. You want to go for offers that, as you see me highlighted, have affiliate pages. Affiliate pages is the third and most crucial thing that I look for, because they give you all the information that you need. These are the people who's already created the offer. They know what's working. They know what platform. They have the demographic. They have the location. They have the email swipes. They have everything that you need to be successful when it comes to promoting their offer. It says, you can skip all this. So we're just going to go here. Going to go to resource page. But yes, it says I have to put my affiliate ID. That's my bad. Mr. Da Vinci. Go to resource page. Okay. Well, I'm not really in the mood to put in all this information right here in front of you. So anyway, just because you didn't see it popped up doesn't mean it doesn't work. I just don't feel like putting in all the information right now. But moving along, here is how you can make $100 a day. So what you want to do is you want to come to this website called udemy.com. And what you're going to do is we're going to be looking for solo ad sellers. Now, to make a long story short, or make a long explanation short, what a solo ad basically is, we're going to come to other people who already have masses. I'm talking 100,000, millions of email subscribers on their email list. And we're going to offer them, as you see on my screen, I got 150 visitors. So basically, I'm going to pay them. What is his cost per click? His cost per click is 49 cents. So, what is this? No. What was I saying? Oh, so I'm going to pay him 49 cents per click to get 150 visitors to come to my sales funnel. Don't worry, I should have make a sales funnel, another video. Just leave a comment below if you want to see that. And I'm going to pay them to come to my sales funnel to get them to opt into my email list. And once they're in my email list, I continue to send them the email swipes from the affiliate Clickbank offer that you just see me on, so that they can opt in, so that over time they'll get to know, like, and trust me. And then eventually they'll feel comfortable enough with me that they'll purchase my Clickbank affiliate offer. And all I have to do is keep offering them the same offers within that category or that niche that they opted into. This is a long-term strategy. This is how you see most of the people that you watch on YouTube make a lot of money. And what I like to look for is reviews. Number one, as you see, out of 345 people, this man has 340 thumbs up, 5 negative reviews. I'm going to take the 340 thumbs up, because that shows me obviously that his email list is converting. Now you can sort by base filler, only mobile. Then they, explain to you what that is, and it's also an additional charge for that. So when you're first getting started, I wouldn't recommend you do it. I would recommend that you just leave it as is, and then as we continue to scroll down, we can figure out more about the email marketing list or his mailing list that he has already. There's also women on here, so I don't want to be sexist, but right now I'm looking at a man. But we can check out the mailing list that they have here. As you see, most of his emails are coming from the United States. Some of his friends. Then it's, more testimonials, good reviews for social proof. And that's all I got for you in this video. But do not leave. I want you to check out all the other free content that I have for you popping up on the screen. Again, like I said, check out the affiliate marketing playlist. It's popping up on the screen right now. I'll show you everything from once I first got started to where I'm at now. I'm just taking affiliate marketing Clickbank more serious. So check out that video. Let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next free video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the thumbs up button. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off.